is the time to harvest your native perennial seeds. This is a beautiful plant that is a host plant for butterflies called false baptista, and I can tell it's time to harvest seeds by the sound. Hear that? Those are dried seeds. You definitely don't want to harvest seeds until they are dry. And the easiest way to do this is to cut this into a bag. Usually I'll bring a paper bag, like a grocery sack, into the garden and cut these and just drop them down into the bag for expediency's sake. And then once I get them inside, I usually put them on a paper plate, crack them open, let them dry, and then start putting them into seed envelopes to share with other gardeners. So if you are seeing seed heads on your native perennials, Columbine is probably created seed heads, and Baptista has probably ready for seed head distribution. This is the time to cut it if you're planning to plant more plants. Garden thoughtfully. Take care.